Hello guys, welcome to Tech Insider. This is me Sujat Ali, and today we are going to do the complete review of ZTE Nubia N1 Lite. Guys, this is complete review and not a unboxing because I have been using this device as my daily driver for more than 7 days, and I'm going to give my views on it, like the cons and the pros. So guys, let's get started. See, this is the box pack it comes in, and here's the Nubia branding, and inside we get the device. I have been using it, so the covers have been removed, and here are the manuals package, and there's a charger here. It's a 2 amp charger, and there's a cable, and there are no earphones in the box pack. So guys, let's keep this aside, and let's get to the phone. As you can see, the phone has a 5.5-inch HD display, and it's not a 1080p display. And at the rear you have a 13 megapixel camera, dual LED flash, and a fingerprint sensor. Here are the speakers, and at the bottom you get the USB charging port and a primary microphone. And at the back there is also a secondary microphone, and at the top you get a 3.5mm headphone jack. And the front, here you get a 5MP front facing camera with an LED flash. I think you are not able to see the flash because it's very dark here, so you are not able to see. Actually, there's a flash with a 5 megapixel camera. There's a notification LED out here, and here are some sensors. So just let's get to the display here. Okay, here you have the 5.5-inch HD display. Okay, so guys, I have told you the overview of this phone. So guys, let's get inside, and I'm going to tell you the hardware this phone runs on. So for that, let's open the CPU-Z application, and by this we can know what this phone is running on. Okay, so here as you can see, the SoC is mentioned as ARM OX D038, and okay, let's see here. Yeah, the hardware that it is running on is MT6735. So it's a MediaTek 6735. It's a 64-bit processor. The Android version is 6.0, and the manufacturer is ZTE. Here the total available RAM is 1928 MB of available RAM. The internal storage is of 16 GB, from which we get 11.4 GB, and the available RAM is 615 MB. Okay, so here as you can see, it's a quad-core processor. It runs on 4, that's clocked at 1.2 GHz, and the architecture is ARM. And the battery is of 3000 mAh. It's actually not mentioned here, but it's on the back of the box. So talking about the battery life is like average, a little bit more than average, but it's nothing like the Note 4. Yeah, I can know it's a 3000 mAh battery, but still the 4A beats this one, and it has a better battery life. But I thought it will have a better battery life because it's running on MTK processors, but still the Redmi 4 has better battery life than this one. So guys, that's all about battery life, and let's go and talk about sensors. The accelerometer, light, as I mentioned previously, here the light sensor is showing some lux, but actually it sometimes stops working, and then I have to open the CPU-Z app and come here, and then I have to put a flashlight on the sensor, then it starts working. So that's a big letdown from ZTE. And it has an orientation sensor and a magnetometer. It also has a proximity sensor, but sometimes it also doesn't work. So that's all about its hardware. Okay, so guys, let's start with the pros and the cons. Okay, I will start with the cons first. The first con that I noticed here is the light sensor. The light sensor that is present here is very errant. It works sometimes and it doesn't work sometimes. Like when you are, for example, when you are calling somebody and you put the phone to your ears, the background display sometimes it gets off and sometimes it doesn't. So the light sensor is very erratic. And another con that I have noticed is I think it's a software based con, because whenever I use my phone and it's turned off and then I press the button to turn it on, it just hangs there and the phone restarts itself. So I think that's a pretty big con, but I think it's a UI based con, so ZTE will solve that con on its further updates. So I think it may be solved in its further updates. And let's go to another con, and that is the back camera. The 13 megapixel camera, I think it's a big letdown. Okay, guys, let's just pick some. Yeah, as you can see, it's a 13 megapixel camera, but whenever you zoom a little, it I don't know, but the picture has a lot of noise and grain. But I don't think so. It's a 13 megapixel camera. I think it's a 8 MP camera that has been interpolated to 13 megapixels. So the 13 megapixel back camera is a pretty big letdown. Another con that I found with this device is Wi-Fi and its hotspot. Yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of troubles connecting to certain Wi-Fi's. I know you may be thinking it's a 5 GHz band and it only supports 2.4 GHz band, but still I connected to a few 2.4 GHz bands, but still it doesn't connect to it. And I tried connecting 5 GHz bands, but as you know, this doesn't have support for it, so it doesn't connect. But the main problem is when I give a Wi-Fi hotspot from this device to connect another phone, it doesn't connect. It just doesn't connect. I tried having no passwords, I tried having passwords, I pressed reset, I did everything, but still it doesn't connect. So I guess I actually don't know what is the problem, why the Wi-Fi hotspot doesn't work on this device. I don't know why it doesn't work. I tried doing everything, but still it doesn't work. So it's another major con on this device. So guys, all the cons are over. Now let's talk about the pros of this device. There are a few pros, but still I have to talk about them. So guys, let's start with the pros first. As you can see, it's a 5.5 inch display and it's a HD display, but the display quality is very good. Just mention very good. When I tried the same display on a 5 inch Macromax device and then I looked on this device, the display was much better on this ZTE, and the sunlight legibility out here is very good on this device. And the brightness, okay, let me show you the brightness. As you can see, the brightness, it goes up very high and it also goes very low. So it's very good if you are using the device at night, and it's very good when you are using the device in direct sunlight. The sunlight level is very good, so you can see the display very nicely. So another pro that I have here is the 5 megapixel camera. The 5 megapixel camera, actually it has a flash. Let me show you. Let me turn the camera, and okay, let's go with the flash. See, when, yeah, as you see, there's a flash. Okay, let's see how the quality is. The quality is not much great, it's not good, but still it's okay for a 6,000 rupees device. It has a front facing flash, so that's good. It's a pro. And actually the another pro is that the device does not lag. I was thinking it may lag because it has an MT6735 processor, but as you can see, I have installed a lot of apps here. All the apps I have installed, but still it works very fine. Okay, so that's a major pro of this device. And why I am doing a review of this device is I got this device on Amazon Freedom Sale at 6,000 plus a 15% cashback using my SBI card. So I got it around 5,000 rupees. So it's a steal at 5,000 rupees. So guys, I'm now going to show you the benchmarking scores. So just see, it's synthetic benchmark, so I can't say anything about that. As you can see, on the Antutu front we have got 27,302. Now let's check out the Ninamark. Okay, on the Ninamark we have got 52.9 fps. That's not great, but still for a 5000 rupees phone it's very good. And guys, please note that it is a 4G VoLTE phone, so it supports VoLTE, it supports VoLTE. You can make directly calls, you don't need to install Geo 4G support and all that applications. So let's do the multi-touch test here. Okay, it's supposed to touch. Okay, it goes on 5. Let's make it more. Okay, suppose up to 10, because there's no 8 multi-touch, so it supports up to 10 multi-touch. So that's good because it supports 10 multi-touch. So guys, this is my complete review on the ZTE Nubia N1 Lite. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, just press the like button. If you don't like, press the unlike button. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe, hit the subscribe button down. That's a red color button, hit and subscribe on it. It's free, so you can just click on that. So guys, then stay tuned to my channel for further such videos. This is me, ZTE, signing out.